Sometimes, a perfect business idea or strategy is put on hold due to a simple lack of financial investment. If you're opening a new baker's, then you need an oven to bake your bread. If you're a coach company, then you need coaches to pick up and drop off your passengers. SME Eurofinance helps make plans a reality by spreading the cost of equipment over its useful working life, so that it is paid for as it makes money for a company.
SME Eurofinance are an independent finance company, and what we basically do is we fund equipment for customers so that they can pay for their equipment as they're actually deriving income from it. What we want to do is to be able to provide a good local service whilst having sort of national expertise, and our offices enable us to get to any one customer within 2 hours to enable us to provide that excellent service. The range of products is quite wide, but generally it all revolves around funding assets or projects over the working life of that project or asset. But we do provide funding for all different sorts of customers. So we would provide funding for a sole trader right through to large PLCs, government bodies and professional practices.
SME Eurofinance can be extremely flexible, and a good example of this is seasonal repayments. If your company has a fleet of ice cream vans, they will more than likely earn more money in the summer months, so you would pay back higher rentals during this time than that in the winter. SME Eurofinance really does its best to meet the demands of the individual client. Ray Marsh explains the process.
We start to consider how we can provide facilities to any particular customer by looking at what might go wrong with that particular transaction. And so here in SME we will consider what possible problems there might be in a particular transaction. So we like to start by understanding the customer. We look at the expected loss in a particular transaction. We know that if we are lending to a particular business, then the loss we might feel could be linked to the sort of security we take, to the strength of the customer, and of course to anything that's outstanding at the particular time of default. So those measures are something that we look at quite carefully. We also like to look at the company itself. We understand the business, we understand its history, its prospects, and of course the people that run the business, because that's very important. Particularly when looking at different transactions, we need to assess the strength of the business versus the strength of the particular asset that we are financing. In some cases the strength of the business is more important, in other cases it's the strength of the asset. But crucially it's the balance between the two that is most important.
A company which has certainly reaped the benefits of using SME Eurofinance is NetSpot. NetSpot provide in-room entertainment systems to hotels and hospitals, and due to the technology which they use, they are market leaders in their field.
The system generally comprises of a satellite system, a couple of computer servers which run the system, and in each room there is a PC and the latest flat screen digital TV. The cost of a modest installation could be as much as £1,000 per bedroom. So for a small hotel of say 25 bedrooms, it would require a capital outlay of in the order of £25,000. By using SME Eurofinance, we are able to offer our customers a rental option which allows them to spread the cost of rentals over a 5-year period and fund those from revenue income that is generated. I would recommend SME Eurofinance to other companies I come across, as I find them very easy to work with, both as a team and as individuals.
SME Eurofinance are looking to fund deals rather than find reasons to decline them. So, if your business needs that little bit of help to get it started, or perhaps it is just more cost efficient for you to go SME Eurofinance, then you know they will do their absolute best to accommodate you.
SME Eurofinance have obviously had a lot of success between a number of market sectors and different sorts of companies financing all different sorts of equipment. And it's not just me saying this to you. You know, you can speak to any individual customers and they will tell you what SME Eurofinance has done for them in order to help their business increase its turnover and profitability.